The state of California requires all substitute teachers to provide proof of TB clearance and pass a live-scan fingerprinting background check before teaching. To pass these checks, go to WellnessMart. You can get your live scan and TB test done in a single WellnessMart appointment. Let's dive into the steps to get your checks done. After your interview, you'll fill out 2 forms, your Request for Live Scan form and TB Risk Assessment questionnaire that is provided in your email and applicant portal. For the Live Scan form, fill out these sections and leave the pre-filled section unaltered. Please note that you cannot use a live scan form you have completed previously because the Department of Justice does not allow organizations to share fingerprinting results. Print out both completed forms so you can bring them to your appointment. Now you're ready to find the nearest WellnessMart to visit. First, head to wellnessmart.com, head to Book an Appointment, and enter your zip code. Click on a location that looks close to where you live, and click Book Appointment on the map or on the side. Once the new page appears, check the address, opening hours, and parking information. You can also see the types of appointments you can book. You do not need to formally book an appointment on this page. Most locations welcome same-day walk-in appointments 7 days a week. Wait times may vary. Scroll down to Get Directions. Map out your route. Then plan to head in at your earliest convenience. If you want to book an appointment online, stay on this page and select TB testing and add live scan fingerprinting. Select a day and time that works for you. Fill out the required information and submit. Here's what you need to bring to your appointment: a valid photo ID like your driver's license or U.S. passport, your Request for Live Scan form, and your TB Risk Assessment questionnaire. Tell them your name, that you're with Scoot Education, and give the forms to the personnel there. They will help you finish fingerprinting and fill out their portion of the TB questionnaire. You do not need to pay anything. We pay for all upfront costs, so there will be no out-of-pocket cost for you. The cost of the live scan and TB test is automatically billed to Scoot's WellnessMart account once you tell them that you're applying to Scoot Education. Lastly, upload your completed live scan application receipt and TB test certificate of completion on your applicant portal. Your documents will be sent directly to us. The review process will take at least 1 week. If you have any questions, call or email your consultant. We're here to help.